Morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very nice, very nice. It's it seems like the heaven has descended on earth to bless all of us today. A bright, beautiful, and very energetic event. So once again, good morning to everyone, and good morning to our guest of honor, Madam Anindita, Circle Officer, Reverend Fathers, Father Edward, Director of School, Father Justin, Principal of the school, distinguished parents, teachers, staff, and my dear students. And of course, this event has become more graceful seeing the lovely and graceful sisters sitting behind in the dais. It gives a lot of positive energy and good vibes today, seeing all the enthusiastic parents, relatives, and the student with full of josh. It's a great honor and privilege to stand before you today for the annual day function of Don Bosco. Don Bosco, an institution that has long been a beacon of discipline, values, and excellence. My dear student, most of them are busy for the next program. My dear students, actually annual day is just an event. It's just not an event. It is a celebration of hard work, creativity, and the spirit that drives this wonderful institution. It is the day when we pause a little, we take a break from a